What's up guys, it's your girl Goldilocks here, and we're here today with a really fun video about how to reuse or use holiday decorations to spice up your Christmas decor. We all love Halloween, but we know it ends too soon. So one nice thing about Halloween is after it's over, the decorations are super cheap. Or, you just may have some Halloween decorations laying around. So this is some stuff I picked up. Those are some lights. I got all this stuff from Michael's, I believe, on sale. We have like a boa here that was dirt cheap, a few dollars. We have some rings here with some eyeballs, some googly eyeballs that are going to be fun, and also some spider rings that glow in the dark. So that should be interesting and make our Christmas tree really cool. So I found this guy too, hey, I don't know what this would be used for, but I thought he was a really cool mummy and he's going to the top of our tree. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna start off by putting on these lovely lights. I think like originally they're like $17, but I got them for like 3 or 4. Like they were super cheap. I just needed one string because obviously I have my tiny tree here, which I also got from Michael's on sale. I'll put some links to similar stuff from Amazon if you guys are interested, because like I said, Halloween stuff is always uber cheap after the holiday is over. So anyways, I just have one string here. These are like jack-o'-lantern lights. I thought they were really cool. So we're gonna put them on our tree today. So while we're sitting here chilling, you're watching me put these bulbs on, please make sure you like the video. Liking the video costs you nothing and it helps me out a whole bunch. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification button so you can get notifications to all my lovely videos. We're gonna do a lot more craft and design videos here. That's the direction we're going. So if you're interested, please subscribe and hit that like button. So here we go. So it's starting to take shape. I know it looks a little shabby, but we are getting there. I promise you we are getting there. All right, so turning the lights on so you can see it looks a little better with the lights on and plugged in. Ooh, yes. And there you go, you get a little nighttime vision. So love that. All right, time for our boa. And this could be like a boa from like a costume or something like that. Again, this was like super cheap. This boa has like little loops at the end so that it could stay wherever you're trying to put it. So what I'm making sure I'm doing as I'm putting my lovely boa on our tree here is I'm putting it in between the branches, but I'm also making sure I'm putting it behind the lights. So it gives like the lights a little more oomph since they're orange and the lights are orange. It just, I don't know, looks a little better to me. It's giving this tree a little life. We're getting some more volume here. It is looking absolutely fabulous so far. I love it. Hopefully you love this design too. I just thought it would be a really fun way to just kind of, keep the spirit alive. Keep the spirit alive. Anyway, here we go. Our boa is good. She's all set. Now we have our googly eyes. Woo. These are really cool. I guess these are like a ring that you put on your finger and it looks like a little creature. I love it. That's so fun. And what we're gonna do with these is we're just gonna put them directly on a tree, just like that. See how easily they hang around. It's really awesome. Yeah, and I think some of these like glow in the dark too, which is pretty dope. So yeah, and we have plenty. These literally cost me like $1, I think, for a packet. So this whole thing is going to be super cheap. Definitely going to cost you under $10 if you're buying everything new. If you're not, then you're just reusing the stuff you have, so that's even better because it should be free. And I'm using this stuff, but feel free to like use your own decorations that you have at the house, and that'll just make it so much easier. Again, I found all this stuff on the clearance rack, so it was super easy for me. I found everything pretty much in one place. It was uber cheap, so yeah, it's a really awesome idea, and it's super fun and creative. Like maybe this is something that you could put up maybe till Thanksgiving, or I mean, shoot, I mean, you could take it all the way to Christmas if you just like a Halloween lover like myself. Nothing wrong with that. And maybe you could have this like in an alternate room or a bedroom or something, you know, whatever your preference is. This would just be like a fun, different way to spice up your holiday season. All right, look at that. Okay, ooh, there's our spiders. Spiders are scary, but that's what makes them awesome for a tree. Now, again, some of these glow in the dark, so that's going to be fun. So hopefully while I'm decorating the tree, they're absorbing enough light to actually like glow in the dark once we turn the lights off, which will be super, super fun. And I'm just putting like a whole bunch of spiders all over this bad boy. I want it to be as creepy as possible. And you know, even though our tree is small here, like putting all the ornaments on, it's just really giving it a lot of volume, making it look really creepy, really fun, very festive. I absolutely love this design. I think it's like turning out better than I actually anticipated that it would turn, which makes me extremely happy. Love this so far. And again, let me remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the notifications and all that jazz if you're having just as much fun as I am with this lovely tree design. It's looking really spooky. Very hocus pocus, if you get my drift, right? I mean, I think so. All right, let's see. So we're finished, or almost finished, with all of our spiders. I think it's super creepy. We loaded it up. It is positively crawling with spiders. Hey, here's our little guy here having a good old time. Wait, where are you going? No, you gonna stay around? No. All right, here he is, our little mischievous guy trying to run away from us. No, sir, you belong on the top of this tree right here. So he has like a little bendable, flexible pole attached to him, and we're just going to use that to affix him to our tree. Again, I don't know what you would use this for, but he works absolutely perfectly on the top of our tree. He's our little mummy angel, and here's a little spider, creepy little spider crawling on him, just to add a little bit of flair to him. And yeah, this looks amazing. Yay! And there's a close-up so you can see how absolutely fabulous this tree is, how creepy it is, and how well it came out. Oh, I just love it. It's so much fun, so inexpensive, quick to do, and it's just a treat. So now we're gonna, oh, there we go. Oh, lights out, looks fabulous. Great. Thank you guys for watching.